Hello everyone. Let's start our today's topic. Today I have taken exercise 7.2, unit number 7, class ninth. Okay, exercise 7.2, question number 2 and part number 3. Today we will talk about the solution of linear equation having absolute values. Absolute value, what is absolute value? Or modulus. Absolute value is basically the non-negative value of x. Any x mean any real number, mean non-negative value of any real number without regards to its sign. For example, these two vertical lines are known as absolute values. We read it as absolute value of x. X mean any real number, right? So absolute value of x is equal to x if x is positive, and absolute value of x is equal to minus x if x is negative. This is definition of absolute value. Mean in absolute value, when we remove this absolute sign, these two vertical lines, when we remove the absolute value sign, we will get answer in both positive and negative ways. Like in question number 2 part number 3, you can see an equation. Absolute value of 2x plus 5 is equal to 11, or mod, you can also say it mod or modulus of 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. You have to solve this equation. Solve mean you need to take out the value of x from this equation. So what is the procedure to solve this? The procedure is, you will eliminate the sign of absolute value or sign of modulus, these two vertical lines, right? Absolute value, you will write it as 2x plus 5, because by definition you must know that when we remove the sign of mod, we get 2x plus 5 is equal to plus minus 11, right? Because in definition I have told you that mod of x or absolute value of x mean absolute value of x is equal to x if your x is positive, and if your x is negative you will get minus x. Mean you have two possibilities, you get two values, one positive and other negative. So when we remove the sign of modulus, when modulus sign is removed, 2x plus 5 is equal to plus minus 11. Okay, when you remove the sign, when you remove the absolute value sign, these two vertical lines, absolute value sign, when it will be removed, we will get answers in positive and negative in both ways, plus minus 11. Now you can see that you have two situations here. One is 2x plus 5 is equal to plus 11, and 2x plus 5 is equal to minus 11, right? Once you will write it in positive way, and then you will write it in negative way. 2x plus 5 is equal to plus 11 and 2x plus 5 is equal to minus 11. Now you will take out the value of x. Now it's just like a linear equation, right? So you will solve it. 2x, you need to take out the value of x. So this term which involve x, we will isolate this term. 2x is equal to 11. How we isolate this? Plus 5 will be shifted to the other side of the equation. When a positive number shift to the other side of the equation, it will become negative. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 5, and 2x is equal to 11 minus 5, that is 6. And what is the value of x here? You can see that x and 2 both are being multiplied. So when you will isolate x from here, this 2 will be shifted to the other side of the equation, and here it is multiplying. When I will shift it to other side, it will be divided. 6 divided by 2. X is equal to 2 1 time 2, 2 3 times 6. X is equal to 3. Okay, now you have second situation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. 2x, you will isolate the term involving x. 2x is equal to minus 11. This plus 5, when it will shift to the other side of the equation, it will become negative. So what you will get now? 2x is equal to minus 11 minus 5, that is minus 16. When two same numbers, when we have two same signs together, we add them, and the answer will contain the sign which larger value has. You can see the larger value has negative sign. So answer will come with negative sign. Minus 11 minus 5, that is minus 16. Now you need value of x. So x will remain here, and 2 is multiplying. When it will shift to the other side of the equation, it will be divided. Minus 6 by 2, and x is equal to 2 1 time 2, 2 8 times 16. X is equal to minus 8. You can see that you have taken out two values of x. Now you have to check your answers, as I have told you before. Checking. What does it mean, checking? Checking means that you will put the value of x into your original equation. After putting, if you will get two sides same, left and right, if you get both sides same, then it means your statement is true. The value that you have taken is true. Okay, in checking, I will put x is equal to 3 in original equation. Okay. So my original equation is 2x plus 5, 2x. Instead of x, I will write here 3. Value of x is equal to 3. 2 into 3 plus 5, absolute value or mod of 2 into 3 plus 5, which is equal to 11. You can see now 3 times 6, 6 plus 5. Mod of 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, and 6 plus 5, that is 11. Mod of 11 is equal to 11, and mod of 11 mean 11. Absolute value of 11 is equal to 11, because in definition I have told you that mod of x mean any real number. It is equal to x if x is positive, and it is equal to minus x if x is negative. So this is a positive number. 11 is a positive number. So absolute value of 11 is equal to positive 11. Is it clear? So you can see that you have two sides same. 11 is equal to 11. So you can say which is true. Okay. Now in checking, you have another option. X is equal to minus 8. Now you will put x is equal to minus 8 in original equations. Yes, in original equation, 2 into 8. Your original equation 2 into 8. Instead of x, you will write 8 plus 5. 2 into 8 plus 5 modulus is equal to 11. Right, this is your original equation, and you have put x is equal to minus 8. Now you can see 2 8 times 16, and sorry, this is minus 8, not 8. X is equal to minus 8. So you can see 2 8 times this is minus 16, and this is plus 5. So absolute value of this is minus 16 plus 5, which is equal to 11. Now you can see minus 16 plus 5. Yes, larger value have negative sign, so it is minus 16. This is minus 11. Right? So minus 11 is equal to, absolute value of minus 11 is basically positive 11, which is equal to 11. Right? Which is also true. Is it clear? So your solution set, you have taken out two values and your both answers are correct. So your solution set is 3 and minus 8. Your solution set is 3 and minus 8. Is it clear? So this was about solving linear equation having absolute value. Is it clear?